approved the award of contract for the construction of access roads for the Abuja Light Road. You are aware that Mr. President has given a directive that he will want to ride on the metro line. And now it will not be possible if there are no access roads to commuters, to communities around. Last week, Council did approve about 3, but this one has to do with Lot 4. Lot 4 has to do with communities around the airport, and then where you have the Hajj camp. If you don't create parks, if you don't put access roads, it will be difficult. And so the council decided to approve this to Mr. CCECC at the cost of 5.9 billion. We believe with this access road being created and car parks, we believe hopefully by next year, most of us will be joining the metro line. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Honorable.